Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Guys, I don't even know where to start. I never even do intros anymore, but I felt like I needed to do an intro for this video because of my appearance. Listen, it has been a crazy week. I haven't had time to do anything. Saturday was Bear's birthday party. I filmed for it. Okay.
I'm not gonna get all wet.
Okay, she's playing in water, so we will have that to clean up as well. Anyways, this weekend, Saturday was Barrett's birthday party. So I have birthday parties late. I like to have birthday parties late so I can spend my entire day cleaning just so everybody can come home or come in and just, you know, it gets ruined instantly. And it's really nobody's fault. It's just what happens when you have big crowds of people over. So we had Bear's birthday. Sunday we had church. You know, there was something special going on at church. We had a luncheon afterwards. Monday I had to go have new tires put on the car, and I ended up going shopping at Gordon's afterwards and stayed gone from the time I dropped the boys off at school at 8:30 until they got picked up at 3:40. By the time I get home it was 4 o'clock. Yeah, and then yesterday, which was Tuesday, which I normally like to have videos up on Tuesday, to take my son to the Capitol for the big 4th grade field trip. So I haven't been home. I have so much to do. And I now don't have a lot of time to do it because my dogs are both sick. And the big white one, Ricaro, Olaf, whatever that dog's name is, he has mixed names, he has been having diarrhea. Well, he likes to stay out in the garage a lot, as you guys know, and he had diarrhea all over the garage. So I spent my entire morning, my garage was trash anyways because it just was. I spent my entire morning cleaning up all of that. And then I came inside, I scrubbed down and just got clean. And then I went and got lunch, and now it's already almost time to pick up the kids. And I have so much to do. And I'm wasting time by giving an intro. So let's just dig in. And I'm sorry for my appearance. I'm sorry. This is what I really look like when I clean. Let's go.
What happened to us? What happened to all the love we always took for granted? Are we stranded? Is it too late? Is it too late to color feelings that have faded? Complicated. I'm waiting for an answer, waiting for a sparkle to come, to ignite love. I need no second chances. I'm tired of romances without love. So where do we go when we can't find our way? I don't wanna be alone. I need you tonight and I don't wanna wait. I want you to show me the way. 'Cause I'm a satellite around you tonight. Nothing's gonna bring me down. As long as the stars in the sky, as long as the stars in your eyes, as long as the stars in your eyes, as long as the stars in your eyes. It's breaking my heart, it's breaking my heart to see you acting like you don't care, like a nightmare. What happened to us? What happened to all the love we always took for granted? Are we stranded? I'm waiting for an answer, waiting for a sparkle to come, to ignite love. I need no second chances. I'm tired of romances without love. So where do we go when we can't find our way? I don't wanna be alone. So what do we do when we're lost and depraved? I need you to show me the way.
like this is not going to be the most flattering clean with me ever, but I got a lot done in a very small amount of time. I was able to do I was able to do the whole kitchen. I did not sweep because Roomba. I just didn't even bother with it because once my kids get home and start eating snacks, it's pointless. So I'll like mop and stuff in here tomorrow. I was able to do all the living room, put all the laundry away. I was able to do the kids' playroom, my office. Yeah, I feel accomplished. I mean, I wish it could be the whole house, but here we are. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you decide to subscribe. If you do, you will see a lot more content like this. I love y'all, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!
Like a body of water.